The closest I've come to reconnect with the true nature of my heart has been when I've been at my deepest struggles in life, subhanAllah. During these times when things that I have subconsciously taken for granted, such as health, work, family, friends, etc., suddenly disappeared due to illness, loss of relatives, loss of work, etc., and I'm left with the aftermath of the pain suffered of these losses. When I then start thinking about the losses, I often come to realization that, alhamdulillah, there is always hikmah in all pain. Time will tell. Time really is my heart's best friend. It's something I personally seen and experienced several times in my life. Initially, the feeling that the pain was unbearable to deal with became more bearable over time. The events that I truly felt would end my life literally led to a spiritual awakening in time with sabr and with tafakkur. Why Allah? Why me? These types of why questioning eventually became acceptance of Allah's qadr and will, and questioning turned into dhikr, praises and salawat towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Thank you, Allah. Thank you for giving us, your servant, such a perfect example in our beloved Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam and in his way of dealing with the tumult of the dunya. When I start to build myself up from the trials I went through, then that's when I felt closest to the true nature of my heart and its testimony of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It was then that I felt closest to my soul and its connection to Allah as the wasila that it is.